Jai Hind student, today we are going to another important question in the money and credit chapter. The first question, what is credit? And explain with the example how credit play a vital and positive role for development. Answer for this question is credit means loan. It refers to agreement in which the lender supply the borrower with money, goods or services in return for the promise of future repayment. First, cheap and affordable credit is crucial for the country growth and economic development. Credit is a great demand for various kind of economic activities, big or small investment to set up the business, buying car, honest house, etc. In rural area, credit help in the development of agriculture by providing fund to the farmer to buy seeds, fertilizer, expensive pesticides. Manufacturer need a credit for buying a raw material or to meet the ongoing expenditure of production. Credit help in the purchase of the plant, machinery, equipment, etc. Some people may be need to borrow for illness, marriage, etc. Thus, cheap and affordable credit crucial for the country growth and economic development. Next question, what are the two categories for sources of credit? Mention four features of each. Two sources of credit are formal sources and informal sources. For formal sources of credit, bank and cooperative society fall under the formal sector. One can obtain loan from bank and cooperative society. The Reserve Bank of India supervises the function of formal sources too. Next, bank loan require document and collateral such as land, building, which vehicle, livestock. This is used for guarantee to the lender until the loan is paid back. Formal sources cannot charge any rate of interest from borrower according to their within informal. Next, informal sources. In the informal source, money can be borrowed from the person, friend, relative, money lender, trader, etc. There is no organization that check and supervise the activities of the lender in the informal sector. Loan for informal sources do not require any such collateral. They charge a very high rate of interest on loan. They do not require any collateral. Next question, which government body supervise the function of formal sources of loan in India? The answer for this question, Reserve Bank of India supervise the function of formal sources of loan. Functions of Reserve Bank are India or RBI require commercial bank to maintain the minimum cash balance out of the deposit they receive. The RBI monitor that bank actually maintain the cash balance. RBI see that the bank give loan not just for profit making business or trader but also to cultivate a small scale industry, small borrower and SG etc. RBI issue guideline for fixing rate of interest on deposit and lending by commercial bank. Next, productively bank have to submit information to the RBI on how much they can lending to whom and at what interest rate. Next question, what are the various sources of credit in rural areas and which of them are most dominant source of credit and why? Money lenders are the most dominant among the sources of credit for rural households. They can constitute informal sources of credit. They charge a very high rate of interest on loan as they do not require any collateral. They are most convenient source of credit in the rural areas. Other source of credit, first cooperative society are another major sources of rural credit. They are the source of formal sector credit. Member of a cooperative pools their resources of helping one another. Example, farmer cooperative, weaver cooperative. They offer a cheap credit in rural area for their members. Once these loans are repaid, another round of loan is offered. Agriculture traders, relative friends and other informal source of rural credit. Some farmer borrow from agriculture trader who supply the farm inputs such as seed, fertilizer, pesticide on the credit at the beginning of the cropping season and repay loan after the harvest. Next, commercial bank